Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Is Whirlpool a good brand of refrigerator? Whirlpool. Refrigerators from Whirlpool tend to be highly regarded for their durability and quality. Many households are loyal to Whirlpool, as their fridges last longer than many brands and don't require as many repairs. The manufacturer offers French door, side-by-side, bottom freezer, and top freezer configurations. RAB I14, 1443A. Do LG refrigerators have problems? Our surveys also look at refrigerator problems that arise, including compressor problems. Our 2019 survey shows that LG French doors are an outlier for compressor problems, with 8% of LG French doors in our sample having such problems, compared with 3% of refrigerators overall. MU 29, 1442A. Do Whirlpool refrigerators have problems? You may be experiencing Whirlpool refrigerator problems, like the freezer isn't freezing or some other temperature control issue. The answer may be as simple as the door is ajar or the defrost timer is malfunctioning. But you may have a more complicated problem, like the refrigerator runs constantly or is noisy. How long do Whirlpool refrigerators last? Depending on model and size, a properly maintained refrigerator can last between 14 and 17 years. A standard refrigerator can run up to 17 years on average, while a compact refrigerator can run for 14 years. Do Samsung refrigerators have problems? The Samsung refrigerators have a number of issues reported by its users, especially in the French door models, such as water leakage, misaligned doors, loud noises, uneven temperature, and malfunctioning ice maker. In 2017, there was a lawsuit against Samsung for making shoddy ice makers.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.